Good morning, students.
Good morning.
So, first of all, let me thanks to all organizing committee of Sudarshan School. Myself, Dr. Vaishali Bhagile. I am here to provide you the Institution Innovation Council idea, which is organized by MIT Satara Parisar. Now, today we are going to understand the purpose of innovation, entrepreneurship development, and the concept why we are studying in school level, that we are going to understand. What is the motto behind that? Because you all are the at school level and you have to understand what is a innovation, what is a entrepreneurship, and how it is a useful for your career, your future. Okay, so this is the main motto. For that purpose we are gathered here. Okay, so thank you very much for organizing committee, thank you very much for Sudarshan School, and thank you very much for you, all of you. So today we are just going to understand what it is. Okay, madam, please next slide. Madam, go for next slide. So here we are just going to communicate innovation, entrepreneurship and development. I, Dr. Vaishali Bhagile, which is belonging to a Department of Computer Application in association with Institutes Innovation Council at MIT Engineering College, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. Go for next slide, ma'am. So student, today we are just going to understand what is the concept of innovation, creativity and invention. So you have to involve in my communication also. Whenever I am just communicate with you people, you have to involve. So if I ask you, can you tell me what is the meaning of innovation? Yes, anyone? Please raise your hand. Yes, anyone? Don't be bothered whether it's a right or whether it's a wrong. I am going to explain. Everyone knows about the Thomas Edison? Yes. Okay. So please raise your hand and just tell me what is. Just raise your hand, beta. थॉमस एडिसन के बारे में आप लोगों को क्या पता है? सिर्फ इतना ही वर्ड बताना है. थॉमस एडिसन, ये वर्ड सुना है आपने? ये किसी पर्सन का नाम है? yes. आप मुझे इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा बताओगे तो हम इनोवेशन कंसेप्ट के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. फिर अच्छा, अंबानी पता है आप लोगों को? yes. सो वो किस चीज के लिए पहचाना जाता है? बिजनेस के लिए. ओके, सो बिजनेस, ये कंसेप्ट समझने से पहले हमें एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप समझना है. तो उसके लिए तो आप मुझे थोड़ा सा इन्वॉल्वमेंट करा के बताओगे. हम अच्छी अच्छी एक्टिविटीज़ कंडक्ट करेंगे जिसमें आप लोगों का इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगा. एक छोटा सा गेम एक्टिविटी कंडक्ट करेंगे जिसमें आप लोग उसको और अच्छे से सीखोगे. आर यू रेडी फॉर दैट? यस. ओके, सो थॉमस एडिसन के बारे में कौन बताएगा मुझे? जस्ट स्टैंड एंड टेल मी. Yes, stand up, beta. Stand. He invented the light. Very good. Just clap for her. So, student, here are the some things. What you understand from this picture? Can anyone tell me?
Ma'am, there are some students wearing some gadgets in their head.
Okay, very good. So, sit down, beta. So, we appreciate. What's your name?
Yes.
Yash. Yash is telling the appropriate thing. There are the some students and they are wearing some gadgets. But student, my question towards to you, is there innovation, ideas or inventions happening like this?
No.
Tomorrow, yes or no?
No.
Tomorrow I am just going to tell you, just wear this cap and just do some innovations. It will happen like that?
No.
So for innovation purpose, you have to involve yourself. You have to think in a different manner. You have to just do your daily homework, studies, activities, whatever the things are going around the surround. Okay, you have to study on that, and then you are going to understand, yes, how I can just do the innovation, how I can just do the some creative activity. How I can just do that things in a innovative idea. Is that clear? Sir, ma'am, please go for next. About the entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is always trying to be a maid, not to be a born. Why? Because these all things are just a person who combines the variety of things. The person who knows how I collect the raw material, then the person who understands what is the material, what are the utility, what is the raw process and how I can sell. Okay. So मुलांना आपण इथे काय अंडरस्टँड करतोय तिथे आपण अंडरस्टँड करतो की एंटरप्रेन्योर जो आहे तो जन्मतः कोणीतरी एंटरप्रेन्योर म्हणून जन्माला आला असा नाही होत किंवा बिझनेसमॅन पर्सन आहे म्हणून त्याचा मुलगा बिझनेसमॅनच होईल असं नाही होत. तर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जी आहे ती त्या माणसाला बनवू शकते किंवा त्या माणसाला जमू शकते जो प्रत्येक माणूस असलेल्या रॉ मटेरियलपासून एक नवीन प्रोडक्ट कसा तयार करायचा, त्या प्रोडक्टला मार्केटमध्ये सेल कसं करायचं, त्या प्रोडक्टचं ब्रँड कसा बनवायचा आणि ते लोकांना लायकेबल कसं करायचं, ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टींसाठी जे लोक असतात त्यांना एंटरप्रेन्योर म्हणतात. ओके. सो एंटरप्रेन्योर हा छोट्या गोष्टीपासून सुरुवात होते आणि मग छोट्या गोष्टी बनवत बनवत आपण मोठ्या गोष्टीपर्यंत जाऊ शकतो. मॅडम प्लीज गो फॉर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. सो entrepreneur is having the variety of things. Entrepreneur can be having an uncertainty better than he as an organizer, he as an inventor, he can change the agent, he can just create a new system and he can just a risk taker. जो व्यक्ती नवीन रिस्क घेऊ शकतो तो एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बनू शकतो किंवा त्याला एक एंटरप्रेन्योरची क्वालिटी असते. ओके. म्हणजे तुम्ही मार्केटमध्ये 10 डेअरी आहेत पण मी माझी वेगळी डेअरी कशी चालेल कारण की माझ्या डेअरीमध्ये मी कोणत्या प्रकारचं पनीर विकणार आहे, फ्लेवर्ड पनीर विकणार आहे. ओके. सो दॅर इज अ वन काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हू इज अ रिस्क टेकर. ओके. दॅर इज वन पर्सन हू इज एज अन ऑर्गनायझर यू कॅन ऑलवेज वर्क विथ द अनसर्टिनिटी. काय पण होऊ शकतं. आता लाईट गेली होती आणि ती पण इझिली तुमच्या इन्व्हॉल्वमेंटमुळे आपण ती गोष्ट छान पद्धतीने करू शकतो. ओके. गो फॉर नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Yes. Go for next slide. Yes. याच्यामध्ये एकच दोन वरती हात करा व्यवस्थित. Yes. Raise your hand if you eat. Yes. Yes. Very good. Very good. हाँ. चल. Just down your hand. Are you? Anyone else? अजून एखादी? Very good. Very good. Why you like that? Kit Kat. Yes. Why you like it? Because of the chocolate, because of the flavor, because of the variety of things. Yes or no? Yes, but tell me different categories. Yes, anyone from girls? Please stand up and tell me.
Dairy Milk and Kit Kat because their flavor is good.
Very good. Dairy Milk and Kit Kat. She is saying Dairy Milk and Kit Kat because their flavors are good or she likeable that flavors. Okay. Anyone else?
Our aim in life, what should we can do in our life? Dream.
Yes. Sir, are you recorded or you are just? So, very good. What she said, the concept of goal. Okay. So, can you elaborate them again?
We must have to fix our aim in life and what is our dream. We should make this confirm what we can do in our life.
Very nice. Very nice. Sit down. Today's entrepreneur. Okay. And these are our customers. Today we are just doing one small activity. That is a business activity. They are having a variety of products and they are going to sell. Okay. You have to just go. Just make the customization and take your product as per your like. You have to sell your product according to that. Okay? Just. Yes, go. Go. Yes, you can ask the about product.
It makes
What is the specialty of this pen?
and it is a Montex company pen. It is blue and its specialty is that it is a ball pen and it works like a smooth pen. Then if you write, it make good handwriting. It has special things. It does not leaks everywhere. Do you want to buy?
Come here, come here. Sir, here, come here.
This is one thing.
Speak loudly.
Loudly.
Speak loudly. What is the specialty of your pen?
She's asking question. Just give answers.
What is the specialty of your pen?
This is one thing. This is a very smooth.
What is the price?
The price is 10 rupees and you give one. You buy one pen. You get this.
What is your grade? Which one is your favorite?
Plain color is blue. It is so small.
It is have a good quality for writing.
Yes, when you this pen, your handwriting will be good.
It is don't like rough.
No, okay.
What is the specialty?
This is do not leak in cracks.
And for what purpose? For what purpose you sell this pen? Okay, I just wanna take this pen. Can you give this?
Yes,
Okay. Price?
only 20.
Okay. I don't want 20 rupees. I want 10 rupees. Thank you.
Creativity, innovation, and invention, entrepreneurship, how we can sell our product, marketing,
Which example do you like most?
entrepreneurship,
Okay.
how you market.
Are you remember anything particular? How we communicate our particular kind of product?
Chocolates, like how we create it, how we make the flavor, how customers like it, the how we sell it, how the color which you like.
Okay. So yes, sit down. आज आपण सगळेजण शाळेत एक छोटीशी ॲक्टिव्हिटी किंवा एक नवीन प्रोग्राम घेणार आहोत. त्यासाठी तुम्ही सगळेजण इथे जमले असाल. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे का आपण काय प्रोग्राम घेणार आहोत? किंवा तुम्हाला अशा छोट्या छोट्या ॲक्टिव्हिटी जर शाळेत झाल्या किंवा तुमच्या रोजच्या टीचरपेक्षा एक नवीन टीचर येऊन काहीतरी सांगते, याच्यासाठी तुम्हाला इन्व्हॉल्व व्हायला, वेगवेगळे गिफ्ट घ्यायला, प्राइजेस जिंकायला आवडतं का? आज आता तुम्हाला मी इथे सांगू इच्छिते की इथे जो कॉन्सेप्ट आहे त्याला इनोव्हेशन अँड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेव्हलपमेंट असं म्हटलं जातं. या सगळ्या गोष्टींना मराठीमध्ये काय म्हटलं जातं ते पण सांगेल. हा स्पेसिफिकली छत्रपती संभाजीनगरमध्ये MITचं एक कॉलेज आहे. त्या MIT कॉलेजमध्ये MIT इंजिनिअरिंग कॉलेज, त्या कॉलेजमध्ये IIC नावाची सेल आहे. त्याला इन्स्टिट्यूट इनोव्हेशन काउन्सिल असं म्हटलं जातं. तिथे किती वरती बघा लोगो दिसतोय आणि नाव दिसतं. ठीक आहे. मग इन्स्टिट्यूट इनोव्हेशन काउन्सिल म्हणजे काय, तर एक अशी काउन्सिल क्रिएट करण्यात आली आहे ज्याच्यामध्ये स्कूलच्या विद्यार्थ्यांना नवीन आविष्कार कसा केला जातो, शोध कसा लावला जातो, तुम्ही बिझनेस कसं करू शकता, तुमच्या शिक्षणाचा वापर तुम्ही चांगल्या गोष्टीसाठी कसं करू शकता, अशा गोष्टी तुम्हाला स्कूल लेवलवरती शिकवल्या जातात. ठीक आहे. याच्यामध्ये मी आज तुम्हाला काय शिकवणार आहे, तर मी तुम्हाला इनोव्हेशन अँड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप डेव्हलपमेंट विषयी सांगणार आहे. इनोव्हेशन म्हणजे काय, तर वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे शोध कसे लावले जातात, आणि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप म्हणजे एक छोट्या बिझनेस किंवा एखादी तुमच्या जवळची एखादी वस्तू आहे ती तुम्ही मार्केटमध्ये जाऊन कशी विकू शकता आणि त्याच्यापासून
my product name, it is a Montex company and it is blue.
It is smooth.
Yes, it is smooth and it make your writing too good.
What is specialty in your pen?
Its color is golden. It's make it your pocket or your compass like a royal.
I wanna buy this whole pen.
Okay, ma'am, you just buy this. It is one for 10 rupees. If you take a pack, you will get 2 pens extra.
Okay, I do this.
Thank you.